When you're doing business planning for yourself, one of the things that is often overlooked is your legal blueprint. All businesses should have this, whether or not you have an in-house general counsel. And these are things that are a part of your permanent platform so that when you do have in-house counsel eventually, that you have someone who is going to monitor these things and make sure that these do not cause you problems. So I wanted to tell you a couple of examples. One is corporate documentation and maintenance of your legal entities. Now, you may not do this, but I have seen clients who don't look at this and they find that sometimes they've missed doing the annual filings, and whatever state that they're in, has gone ahead and dissolved them. And that's not a surprise you want. Looking at insurance is another thing that is a good idea to do each and every year. The values of your business may change. You may have life insurance that you're using to buy out partners, and certainly the value of your business is different. So whatever the insurance is for, that needs to be reviewed, and this is something that a general counsel would normally do, or if you're using someone like what we do, an outsourced general counsel would do that as well. Cyber issues are a big concern today. The cyber issues have to be covered by proper insurance, and you have to look for ways that you can evaluate and eliminate the risk that you may have as a result of cyber. Property issues, again, these could be things that are accidents waiting to be happening, or they could be something where you didn't anticipate that the deed that you had for the property was not proper. In any event, this is something that needs to be looked at. Labor issues are another issue, and that could be something like a union issue within the plant, or it could be something like contracts that you have for different employees, including your executive team. Trade secrets is a big to-do. You have to make sure that those trade secrets are kept secret. If you don't do what is necessary, the courts will not support you to hold that those are trade secrets. So you have to evaluate what are the trade secrets, how are they kept, and how are they secured. Non-compete agreements, these change from time to time based upon court decisions, and these need to be reviewed as well. Your governmental oversight, all of those regulatory things need to be managed and looked at, and this is one of the things that your inside general counsel would do if you had one. Depending on the type of business, you may have intellectual property, and so there may be issues on that have to be dealt with. And one of the things that needs to also happen is that you have to look at what template documents you have in your system, because you want to have your people, your executive team, be signing documents that you know are right for you versus signing documents some vendor brings in. So these are a couple of the things you should be looking at and making sure are part of your platform.